We live in the 21st century, with a global population of around 7.3 billion people. Our Mother Earth is 4.543 billion years old, yet we continue to be one of the most intellectual species on the planet, governing it. During this development, living creatures on Earth evolve from unicellular to multicellular organisms, and an ecosystem develops to sustain life on Earth. This planet has a biology that deals with the relationships of species to one another and to their physical environment, which is known as ecology. Ecology has several layers, including organisms, populations, communities, ecosystems, and the biosphere. Every organism needs food for energy in order to exist, and this is where the food chain comes in. A food chain is a network of creatures that passes nutrients and energy as one organism consumes another. Each creature in a food chain belongs to a distinct trophic level, which is determined by how many energy exchanges separated from the chain's fundamental input. There is no proof that we belong to the Earth's ecosystem, and scientists are currently gathering data from Earth's past to determine the right place of people in this ecosystem and food chain. As our 7.3 billion person population grows, so does the demand for this environment, and we are influencing it. This has an effect on the water, air, land, and everything else in the ecosystem. Our progress is altering our environment and contaminating everything, affecting every part of our world. We are depleting all available natural resources, and deforestation is having a severe impact on all other living organisms on Earth. The two most serious concerns are global warming and plastic waste. Our actions are raising the temperature of the Earth owing to the use of traditional energy sources, which results in the generation of massive amounts of greenhouse gases on a daily basis, and the average global temperature on Earth has risen by roughly 0.8 degrees Celsius, 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit, since 1880. Plastic use has turned the Earth into a plastic waste dump, with plastics found in the seas, on land, and even inside the bodies of marine species in the form of microplastics. Scientists estimate that we're currently losing species at 1,000 to 10,000 times the background rate, with dozens becoming extinct every day, during the last 100 years owing to humans' impact on ecosystems. This new world that we have created brings with it a slew of illnesses and severe conditions for our bodies. We have caused a sickness known as cancer, and we are alone accountable for it, not Mother Nature, as a result of our nature-destroying actions. Cancer is a condition in which aberrant cells develop uncontrolled and cause tissue destruction. Cancer cells feed on fat and sugar in order to live and spread throughout our bodies. We have many similarities with cancer cells, since we are likewise growing our number at an abnormally rapid rate and using all available resources to live. Cancer cells kill normal tissues, and we are doing the same thing by destroying our environment. We are on the verge of annihilating the Earth, much as cancer destroys natural cells in bodily parts, resulting in death. If we exhaust our resources on this planet and achieve saturation, we may be able to go to another planet and colonize it for resources utilizing technological advancement. Moving from planet to planet, consuming all of its resources, and destroying every planet on which we live makes us more like a disease to the universe. In the future, our species may be recognized as the planet killer.